नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 22 एंड जो मेरा टारगेट है UPSC CSE 2024 उसके लिए डे रह रहे हैं 347 डेज। ओके, एंड माय प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम इज ऑन 26 May 2024। Okay, so without any delay, let us see what will be my today's schedule, what I will do today to achieve my goal of UPSC CSE 2024. So let's start. If I will achieve my today's schedule, then only I will achieve my final goal. As you can see, today is 14 June 2023 and my schedule will start from 9 to 10, 1 hour, 10 to 9 to 10 and then 11 to 12. I have 4 major study block, as you can see, and their corresponding time also. So basically today I will do study of GS2, and in GS2 topic will be important international institutions, है ना, institutions, agencies, fora, their structure and mandate. Okay, so basically this is topic important international institution. I will do this topic during these 4 study hour block, that is 9 to 10, 11 to 12, 1 to 3 and then 4 to 5, and in between those there is 1 hour time gap in which I will take 15 minute time break, plus I will do micro learning. Okay, so this is my today's schedule. Other than this hour from 6 to 8, today I will do my revision 2, retrieval 2 by practice question extended method. Okay, or generative question evaluative method. Okay, so this I will do revision 2, whatever I have studied during this week till today. Okay, and during this time from 9 to 10 I will do revision 1 of today's, whatever I have studied I will do that's revision, and then 10 to 11 I will do my COB and marginal gain, basically self reflection for further improvement in myself. So this is my today's schedule. Hope you like it. If you like, then please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any other important information. Thank you.